Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 29th, 2020. We have here one Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, a binary and a tectonic. So we have here total of 6 lovely Sudokus. The first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, and this will be number 1428. And before I start, you always know I count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level. The 1 star has always 27 printed numbers, but let us check. We have here 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 22, plus 3 is 25, plus 2 is 27, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 9 and the 1 in this big square. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then we have an 8 in this column. Let me see. Yes, 8. Yeah, 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5 in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 5. We have an 8 and a 5 in this column, so no 8 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column should be the number 1. These 2 boxes in this middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. Then these 3 numbers in this big square, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Let me see these 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Yes, cannot do anything. Need to wait for more information. How about the 8 in this row? The 8 in the row above, below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about we have a pair? 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and there. Same story with the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and 8. Alright. 4 and the 8. That means 1, 1, 9, 9. Yeah. 8. Two. No. In this last row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 3 and the 9 are left in this big square. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair, 3 and a 9. Those 3 numbers, the 1, the 9, and the 3, 193, cannot do anything, need to wait. 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 7. It's getting tough. Tough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And no is no. I do not think so. We have in this big square 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 3 boxes. There were no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Yeah. We have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Alright. 3. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. Should be 6. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. No. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. 7, 7. Yeah. Let me mark some boxes because it's taking too long. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be in these 2 boxes. Can I do this for the 2? The 2 should be also here. the 6. No. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the third row, so the row in between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. Yeah, that means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Also here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 4, 5, 9. Yes. 4 missing numbers now in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9. No 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row. The 1 and the 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 1 goes there. Then 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 6 are missing. 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 6, 2, and the 4. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Oh, no. We have a 4. 2 and the 6 are missing. This is not correct. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. This is not correct. Let me with the other pencil, because otherwise I will make a mistake. We have a 6 here. Look, we have a 6 here in one of these 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 6. This should be a 2. Let me write this clear. 6, 2 and 6. Alright. 2 and 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 7. I cannot place it directly, so I mark them for you. 7 and a 5. That means we have a 5 in this column in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. 4 and the 8 are left in the third column. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. And then. Yeah. These two numbers in this second row are the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 707 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. And then these two numbers in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column. The 9 and the 3 we have 9 and 9 and 8. No, 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 3. 7 and a 5. We already have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. And the key was the second column to be used. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you like this one, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later, people. Bye bye.